Alright, I'm in the CT. I'm going to start the engine. Alright, let's do this. Checklist. Got it. I've done all the pre-flights, so let's do this. And first things first, of course, I'm going to do it with my right hand. Electrical off, electrical off, brakes pull and set. Brakes pull and set. Master switch on and in. Just these two. Beacon, position lights, fuel valve on, and ignition key's in. Ignition key is ready, and in. Alright, chocolate. Since they started this morning, so I'm just gonna go halfway. And throttle open 114, got that alright. Propeller clear, ignition start, switch, start. Alright, we're good. Clear! RPM, chop adjust off, go up on the throttle a little bit. Oil pressure green, yes, alternator light off, and flaps up. Alright, everything's good, propeller's turning. Avionic master switch on, intercom on, ADAS information waiting. 7, 5. Yes, on 3. Corvette. Alright. Alternator brakes release and test.